Team A, Team B, Team A start. Three points. Five points, super. Last two balls. 5 points, Sabash. 3 points. Team A, round 1. 3 plus 5 plus 5 plus 3. 16. Total 16. Total 16 points. Team B, round 1. 5 points. Four points. Three points. Oh. Team B, 5 plus 4 plus 3. 12. Team A, round 2 start. Team A, round 2, 5 points. Round 2 total 5 points. Total 21 points. Team B needs 10 points to win. Can he make it? 10 points to win in 6 balls. 5 balls, 10 points to win. 5 balls, 10 points. Oh. 4 balls, 10 points to win. Oh, 3 balls, 10 points to win. Oh, super. 2 balls, 5 points to win. 2 balls, 5 points to win. 2 balls. Oh, super. 3 points to win in last ball. 3 points to win in last ball. Winner! Team B winner.